If you feel tired all day, even after sleeping, this is the real reason, and you can fix it in 7 days. Most people think they're tired because they didn't sleep enough, but that's not the real problem. You can sleep 8 hours and still feel exhausted. The truth is, your body is stuck in a low-energy cycle. And once you're inside that cycle, it doesn't just affect your mornings, it affects your entire life experience. You wake up already feeling like you didn't recover. Your body feels heavy before you even stand up. Your mind feels foggy before you even start thinking. And instead of starting your day with clarity, you start it with resistance. It feels like everything requires effort from the very beginning. Even simple tasks like getting out of bed, brushing your teeth, or planning your day feel harder than they should be. So, what do most people do? They try to fix it with quick stimulation. They reach for their phone immediately. They scroll, check messages, watch videos, anything to wake up. But what they don't realize is that they are not actually waking up their body. They are overwhelming their brain. Because the moment you expose your mind to fast-moving information right after waking, your brain shifts into processing mode before your body has even stabilized. That creates early mental fatigue even though you haven't done anything yet. Then comes caffeine. Coffee feels like the solution, and for a short time it seems to help. You feel a slight lift, a bit more alertness, a temporary sense of control. But that is not real energy. It is stimulation layered on top of exhaustion. And because your body's already under pressure from overstimulation, caffeine does not fix the root problem, it only delays the crash. So a few hours later your energy drops again, but this time it feels worse than before. To understand why this happens, you need to understand how your body actually produces energy. Your energy is not random. It is controlled by a biological system called your circadian rhythm. This system regulates when you feel awake, when you feel tired, how your hormones behave, how your digestion works, and how your brain manages focus and alertness. When this system is functioning properly, you naturally wake up feeling refreshed, you stay relatively stable during the day, and you gradually wind down at night. You don't have to force energy. It happens automatically. But modern life constantly disrupts this system, and the disruption is not caused by one big mistake. It is caused by dozens of small, repeated habits that slowly shift your body out of balance. And the worst part is that these habits feel normal because almost everyone does them. One of the biggest disruptions happens immediately in the morning. When you wake up and check your phone, your brain is instantly exposed to stimulation, notifications, messages, videos, social media content. All of this hits your brain before it has even fully transitioned out of sleep mode. Your nervous system is still in a recovery state, but your mind is suddenly forced into processing external input. This creates a mismatch between your physical state and mental activity, and that mismatch leads to fatigue. Then caffeine enters the system too early. Normally, your body naturally produces cortisol in the morning, which helps you wake up gradually and feel alert. But when you introduce caffeine immediately, you override that natural process. Instead of your body waking itself up, it depends on external stimulation. Over time, this weakens your internal wake-up mechanism, so your natural energy becomes lower, and your reliance on caffeine increases. After that, food becomes another major factor. Many people start their day with meals that are high in sugar or refined carbohydrates. These foods create a quick spike in energy, which feels good for a short time. But then your blood sugar drops rapidly, and that drop creates fatigue, brain fog, irritability, and lack of motivation. This creates a repeating cycle of highs and lows throughout the day. Instead of stable energy, your body experiences constant fluctuation, and that fluctuation is what drains you mentally. Another major factor is lack of movement. You know, modern life has made it normal to sit for long hours without interruption, but your body is not designed for prolonged stillness. When you stay inactive for too long, blood circulation slows down, oxygen delivery decreases, and your brain receives fewer signals that promote alertness. This is why you can feel tired even when you haven't done anything physically demanding. Your body becomes stagnant, and stagnation feels like fatigue. But the most important and most overlooked part of this entire system is what happens at night. Because even if you manage your morning and afternoon correctly, your night routine can completely undo everything. At night, your body is supposed to transition into recovery mode. This is when deep sleep occurs. Deep sleep is where your brain resets itself, your hormones rebalance, your muscles repair, and your energy system restores itself for the next day. Without proper deep sleep, your body cannot fully recover, no matter how many hours you spend in bed. This is why so many people wake up after a full night of sleep and still feel tired. It is not about quantity, it is about quality, and quality is controlled by your habits before sleep, not just sleep itself. So when you combine everything together, morning overstimulation, poor caffeine timing, unstable food energy inactivity, and poor sleep quality, you get a full breakdown of your natural energy system. And that is why, honestly, fatigue becomes your baseline instead of your exception. But here is the most important truth. This system is not permanent. Your body is not damaged. It is simply adapted to the wrong environment. And the moment you start correcting that environment, your body responds quickly. This is where the 7-day reset becomes powerful, because it does not try to force your body into something new. It removes the interference that is blocking your natural energy system. For the first phase, you focus on your mornings. The goal is to reduce immediate stimulation and allow your body to wake up naturally. Instead of checking your phone right away, you give your brain time to transition smoothly. This helps reduce early mental overload. During this time, hydration becomes important because your body naturally becomes dehydrated overnight. Drinking water helps restore basic balance and supports energy production. Natural light exposure is also critical. Light is one of the strongest signals your brain uses to regulate your internal clock. When you expose your eyes to natural light in the morning, your body understands that the day has begun. This helps regulate hormones that control alertness and sleep cycles. Even a few minutes of sunlight can begin correcting your internal rhythm. For the next phase, you focus on caffeine timing. Instead of removing coffee, you adjust when you consume it. By delaying caffeine, you allow your body's natural wake-up system to activate first. This creates a more stable foundation of energy. Then caffeine enhances that energy, instead of replacing it. The result is smoother focus and fewer crashes. After that, you focus on food stability. The goal is not restriction but balance. When your meals contain protein, healthy fats, and stable carbohydrates, your blood sugar remains steady. This prevents energy spikes and crashes. Stable fuel means stable energy, and stable energy means better focus, mood, and productivity throughout the day. Movement also becomes part of the reset. Even light activity improves circulation and oxygen flow, which directly impacts how alert you feel. Your body is not designed to be still for long periods, and movement restores its natural energy flow. Finally, the last phase is nighttime recovery. This is where transformation becomes permanent. By reducing stimulation before bed, your brain gradually shifts into recovery mode. Sleep becomes deeper, more restorative, and more effective. And when sleep improves, everything else improves, automatically. You wake up feeling lighter, you feel more stable throughout the day, you rely less on caffeine, your focus improves naturally, and that constant background fatigue, well, it slowly disappears. And the most important realization is this: energy is not something you chase, it's something you restore by removing what is blocking it. Once those blocks are gone, your body returns to its natural state much faster than most people expect. So, try this for the next 7 days, take it seriously, stay consistent, and pay attention to how you feel, because real change doesn't come from doing something extreme once, it comes from doing the right things consistently. And if you want more simple, practical ways to improve your health and energy, make sure you subscribe, and comment energy below if you're starting this 7-day reset.